Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Smart Tab, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will need to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this, and swipe down once again the list of toggles, which will expand it. Here we're looking for the screen recording toggle. It might not be visible by default, so we might need to add it. It looks like that's the case for me, so let's press right here on this pencil. And then below we'll find toggles that are turned off, which we can add. So one of them, the very first one, is screen recorder. We're gonna hold it. As you can see, the text right here changes, and we can now drag it to the top, drop it, and when we go back, we have access to it on one of the pages. From here, just simply tap on it, allow anything that it will ask for, and we can now start recording. Starts the countdown and records. I'm gonna pause it just because I'm curious about settings, which I guess I can't access through here. So anyway, I'm gonna go through doing like opening some applications and whatever, and then I'm gonna stop recording. Now, as you've seen, you stop recording with the square that is right here. We can also access now the settings, which will give us a couple things that we can edit in the screen recorder. So customize it to fit your exact needs. Anyway, from there, once you stop recording, you can find that recording in your Photos application. So let me quickly locate that. There we go. Okay, so we can navigate to albums, which will contain a new album called Screen Recorder, and here you'll find all the screen recordings that I've captured over the time. And here's the one that I have captured. Now, interestingly enough, you can see that this little thing right here that was a recording is not invisible in the screen recording as it normally is for every other device. So here it's a little bit distracting, might be obstructing some of the things that you're trying to record, so you might want to move it out of the way, which you can do. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.